This is what I'm planning to do today. I'm creating an Excel sheet to mark my attendance. I want to use conditional formatting so that after entering the attendance at a glance, I can say who is present, who is absent, and who is late. So it becomes easy to mark the attendance and also to keep track of who is constantly absent or late. So finally, when you look at the product, it's going to look something like this. So I have two areas here. So I enter my data in the right table over here, and I have the legend here. If you enter a 0, the student is absent, and it will appear as a red color. Even if you don't enter any value, it'll still show as an absent, default as absent. If you enter a 1 in any of these areas, any of these columns in the data entry area, you get a green color indicating the student is present. And if he comes in late, you can enter a 2 and it turns blue. So you have at a visual glance the number of students who are away in a day or in a week, and you can make appointments with the students or the parents to discuss their absences. So that's the intent. So in order to do that, I first created a table using the if and condition. So I'm not going to show you that today, but I'm going to show you how you can do conditional formatting. So let's actually remove the conditional formatting first. This is where you manage conditional formatting. Go to manage roles. I'm going to delete all the roles that are here. So we don't have any roles. I'm going to clear the table over here for the data. So by default, everybody is absent. So now I'm going to select the area where I want the conditional formatting. Click on conditional formatting. Go to manage roles and add a new role. There are many options over here. I'm going to the second one, format only cells that contain a certain value. If you come down, you can see cell value. We need a specific text value, and that value is A for absent. Then it should give a specific color. I'm going to select the color for formatting. I'm going to select this color over here. So that would be okay. Click OK, apply. Okay, so now since all the columns had a default A in it, it appears red or absent. Again, I'm going to select the same area, add a second role for conditional formatting, new role, select format only cells that contain a specific value. I'm going to select specific text, and in this case, I'm going to put P for present. And I'm going to format the color. I'm going to change it into green. Okay, okay, apply, okay. And one more. The next conditional formatting is the next role, add new role, format only cells that contain specific text. And in this case, it's going to be late. So L. I'm going to change the color to blue. Okay. Apply. Okay. Now, if I come to the date, so this is 15th February. 15th February. So instead of entering the dates over here, I'm going into the data entry area. I'm going to put 1 for present. Turns green. 2 for late. No entry would be 0. That would be again a red. 1, 1, 1. They're all present. On the next day, I have an absent. I have a late. I have present, 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 present. Again, I have an absent. Oh, I can put a 0. I have 1, a 0. I'm going to the next side for next day. It's going to be a 0. So you see what's happening. I just enter the attendance for a week, and I know who is present and who is absent, and it's pretty easy to identify at a glance which of the students have been absent and how many times have they been absent in a week. And you can have this set up for a whole month. So it makes pretty easy for monitoring the attendance of your students and having a dialogue with them. That's it for now.